Hello guys, hope you all will be doing fine. My name is Abid Ali. Well, this is basically a short tutorial how to install a cam recorder in your laptop. When you download the software from the link given in the descriptions below, so just unzip that file and it will be like this. So just double click on this and it will start the setup. So just go with the flow, press OK, next, I agree, next, and then just choose where you want to install the software. So just press install and it will automatically install the cam recorder. The main advantage of this cam recorder is that it is light in, basically the size is very small and it is very friendly to use. So then when you install the software, then just double click on this folder and then this, and there you see a key maker. So right click on this and run as a administrator. So a window will be pop up to you. So here you need to enter the email address. That can be anything, that can be any address if you want. I will just write down an email address and just click on the register application, so it will automatically register your software. So when you just install the software, then go to the desktop and double click on the cam recorder software app. So double click on this and it will be like this. So to in order to work the audio, so click on the video, go to the setting and go to the sound, and here the primary sound device, just select the microphone to Realtek high definition audio and press OK, and it will save the setting, and you can also record the audio video both at the same time. Thank you for your cooperation. Take care. Bye.